Jai Hind everyone. Recently, State of Global Climate Report 2022 has been released by the World Meteorological Organization (WMO). As per the report, the global mean temperature for 2022 is currently estimated to be about 1.15 degrees Celsius higher than pre-industrial times. Talking about WMO, it is an intergovernmental organization with a membership of 193 member states and territories. It was established by the ratification of the WMO Convention in 1950. Its headquarters is situated in Geneva. Seeing the impacts of climate change, the rate of sea level rise has doubled since 1993. It has risen by 10 millimeters since January 2020 to a new record high this year. The past 2.5 years alone accounts for 10% of the overall rise in the sea level. The impact of the rise in temperature can also be seen in record-breaking rain in July and August that led to flooding in Pakistan. Large parts of Europe sheltered in repeated episodes of extreme heat. Thank you. For more such videos, subscribe Colonel Roy Defense Academy.